Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video kung saan lalaro ko yung Late Stops. So, sa tingin ko, itong game na to is paparada tayo kung saan, like sa convenience store or gas station. Di ko lang alam. Wala pa akong idea sa game na to, so lalaroin ko na siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So, it's the time to play this game! The night is quiet. A soft ding echoed in the cabin, low fuel warning. Weirdly, the highway seems to have stretched endlessly. However, it's just your mind messing with you. Oh, so pinaglalaroan tayo ng utak natin. Bro, baka nakadroga ka. You realize you must keep going. Okay, dapat yun lang. Padayo! Oh, Derek pangalan natin. Derek Ramsey! I didn't think it would be this cold tonight. The rain is really coming down hard. Okay. Oh, spacebar. This highway is so damn quiet. There's nothing but trees and darkness. Why do I get the feeling that I'm being watched? No. It's just my nerves messing with me. Oh bro, baka pinagbentahan ka ng balot. Kasi gabi, baka bago ka punta dito sa highway na ito, pinagbentahan ka ng balot, tapos binigyan ka ng asin, and akala mo asin, hindi pala. So, baka yun nga. Like, kakaibang asin yung binigay sa'yo. Alam nyo na yun. Tata. She's almost out of gas. Where? If this car dies out here, no cell service, no help, I'm freak. Come on, there's gotta be a place somewhere. A convenience store, gas station, anything where I can potentially stay at. Tata. Okay, think. The GPS is right up ahead. Finally. I can't believe I made it this far on empty. Alright. Find the station, refill on gas, and get the hell out of here. No bullshit, just gas, that's it. So yun lang naman dapat talaga priority mo bro, kasi di ko alam kung saan ka destination pupunta. Sa bahay nyo ba, pauwi, trabaho, like bro, it's the middle of the night siguro, tas ganyan, lumabas ka, di ko alam, mubiyahe ka, ano ka, grab or taxi, tama ba? Drive to the gas station. Where? Okay. Oy. Alright, finally, a gas station. However, there aren't any pumps anywhere. I guess I gotta go talk to the cashier about it. Lakad, I might as well get some snacks for the road ahead. Lakad. Okay. Bro, muna sa Zupik Safari ka. Mataas ang puno. Hula ko yung mga malalaking paniki dyan eh. So, ito yung kotse natin. Shift? Oh, may space nga. Ay, may shift. So, para mabubilis yung takbo. Gagawin? E? Oh, E. Okay. Ha, kalbo. Talk to the cashier. The heck? Gusto mo pa pumunta dyan? Okay. Yung pala yung task natin muna. Get snacks. I mean, collect. Di ba pwede mag-CR? Ano ito? Bro, hula ko ito yung sisig sa 7 Evelyn, kung alam niyo yun. Yung sisig na may amoy na, ewan ko, ito ata yung sisig na yun eh, sa may 7 Evelyn. Diba? Diba mukha niya bro? Papainitin. Oh, may leche plan. So, may refrigerator to, hula ko. Gomu-gomu yan, tapos Jacolt. And, anong snacks ito? Ano to? Temying. Bro, what snacks? Snacks. Ito. Selecta. Ice cream or what? May Coke. Oh! Okay, kukunin natin yung mga naka-ano. Yan. Naka-ano. Kiss. Okay. Paano ko ano yan? What kind of product? Mukhang pirated yan ah. And, so, ito pa. Ano to? Bro, walang brand name. BBQ lang. The heck? Ano pa? Oh, ito nga. Kukunin natin ito. Semyeng. Ano pa? Yung pang 5. Where's the freaking last one? As yung pang 5. Show yourself. Bro. Bro, where are you? Asan yung isa? Oh, ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Talk to cashier. Okay. Talk to cashier. Tony. The name's Tony. How can I help? Yeah. Just this for you to ring up. You have any gas cans anywhere? Sure. Sure thing. One gas can. Got a car stranded or just stopping up? Just stopping up. Looking to get out of here soon. Okay. Your total is $24.63. Okay, cool. See you around. So, bigay mo... Oh. Tony. Damn it. The lights are out again. You think you can help me out? Sure. You want me to turn the lights back on? Yeah. That would be great. I don't want people thinking we close already. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Akala ko like tapos na. Akala ko tapos na. Nandiyan ka ba? Ayun pala si Tony. Kita-kita ko siya kahit matili. Bro, ang creepy mo dyan. Dapat hindi ko ito gagawin eh. Kasi bro, customer ako. Ikaw may-ari itong store. The heck? So, libre na siguro yan pag ginawa natin. Saan yung ano? Dito ba? Sa likod ba nito? Hindi. Saan? Sa likod nitong store? Ano yan? 612. Okay. Oh, ito nga. Di ba tayo makbo kasi dala na natin chips. Kaya na natin kotse natin. Saan ito? Saan dito? Aircon. Saan dito? Ito, pinakadulo. Oh. Oh, ito. Okay, The heck? Ayun! Casio! Bro, ginagawa mo dito? Nagulat mo, Casio, Yoko. I don't want to talk to you, bro. Oh, kailangan pala. Don't scare me like that. Who are you? The name's Gus. We need to talk quietly. About what? You and you around here? Yeah? I'm just passing through. My car ran out of gas. But I might check this place out. I think twice before sticking around this place. It's not what it seems. What do you mean? There is a group. They call themselves a circle. Folks around here do not talk much like them. But you would do well to know. Circle? Bro, the circle? What do you mean the circle? Like, kulto ba sila? Or gang? Or kulto ba? Ganon? The circle. Circle? Sounds like a bad biker gang. Or diba? See? Or some weird hipster club. Come on, you don't actually believe that stuff, do you? They keep the town in line. But newcomers are not welcome. They watch. They wait. And if you are not careful, they come for you. Bro, paano ako mag-iingat? Do you have any tips or what? Para maiwasan ko yung mga gang na yan or gang, circle na sinasabi mo. Yeah, sure. Next, you'll tell me they have secret handshakes and midnight rituals. See? Yung ganun-ganun niya, oh. I'm just here for a night or two. No big deal. I'm serious, man. Keep your head down and maybe get out while you still can. Just a piece of advice for you. So, wala ka bang info sa kanila kung ilan sila? May mga hawak ba silang baril or may mga kandila, gano'n, nakatalukpong? Detective, find your car. Okay, Casio, thank you sa information na sinasabi mo. And, iwan na kita dyan. Bro, parang nakagano'n siya. Ano no, kung saan movie yung may nakitang ganyan, nakaganyan, Titan ba yan? Sa Attack on Titan or what? Kalimutan ko na eh. Okay, dyan ka na, Casio. Salamat sa info. So, balik tayo dito. Ikaw pa rin ba yan, Tony? Lagi mo na ba ako gas? Oh. Nakangiti siya. Like, mabait. Filled with gas and go. Okay, saan tayo? Okay. Yung steering wheel natin, nandito na sa kanan. Kasi sa previous game ko nalalaro, nasa kaliwa siya. So, siguro certified Pinoy tayo. Kasi may 611 eh. Ay, 612. Diba? Like, bro, dito sa Pilipinas, imposible walang pansit canton dito. The circle? Huh, guy's freaking lunatic. Lunatic. But why? But why did he seem so scared? Like, really scared. Not just some crazy story. No way, I'm brushing this off. Something's up. Damn it. There's some cup on my ass. What now? Pull over. What? So yung police. What? Like, great. Just what I needed. Middle of nowhere in the middle of the night. I wasn't even going that fast, man. What I do this time? Oh. Hindi, takbo na, bro. Takbo na, tol. Oh. Bawal. Kukunin mo ba yung lisensya ko? Itutow mo ba yung sasakyan ko? Police ka ba? Like, bro. Parang si Tony ka. Police ka ba? Saan baril mo? Saan handcuffs mo? Bro, badge or lisensya? Talk to officer. Officer Pat. License and registration, please. Sorry, officer. I was speeding back there. You were. That stretch sees a lot of accidents. You in a rush? Just trying to make it to a dinner before it closed. Town felt empty by 9. Kind of eerie. Folks have their reasons. You hear about the circle yet? Oh, narinig ko na sinabi sa ni Casio. Yeah, some guy told me that watch my back. Sounded like a joke. It's not. They watch people like you. Bro, ano kinalaman ko? May atraso ba ako sa kanila? Or sangkot ba ako dun sa balot na binili ko? Like, bumili ako ng balot tapos binigyan nila ako din yun. Oy, tirahin yun. Sangkot yun. Why? They have... Oh, radio. Unit 3, we need you at the crossing. Now! Listen, I gotta leave. Just keep it slow tonight and the nearest diner is about a mile away. Have a safe night, sir. Thanks, Officer Fat. Okay. Salamat. Mag-a-appear ba? May mag-a-appear ba sa likod ko? Just remind me, okay? Thank you. Oh. 1 mile. 1 mile. I was on mile away. Of course, he pulls me over now. Taillight. My ass. Bet he just liked the look on my face. Sir, do you know why I stopped you? Yeah, because it's Tuesday night and you are bored. Bro, gano'n naman talaga yung mga pulis eh. Like, wala kang ginagawa sa mga ibang bansa. Like, wala kang ginagawa, kumakain ka lang. Sir, you're under arrest. Bakit? Kasi lumabag ka, ngumunguya ka, kumakain ka, huling ka namin. Ganun. Whatever. This diner ought to cool me off. Okay. Nandito pa si Casio. Takbo na, tol. Takbo na. Oh. Oh, may mga nakapark dito. Okay. Di ba natin sila pinay-carnap? Wait a minute. Parang familiar tong place. Parang inalaro kong ano, like yung dressing room. Talk to the witness. Open 24 hours. Oh. Oh, akala ko dito yung entrance. The heck? Uy. Di ba? Oh. Oh, di ba pwede dito? Toilet. Okay. Casio. Bro, Casio! Like, ikaw yung nagsabi ng, ano di ba, gang? Or isa ka dun sa mga gang? The heck are you doing here, bro? Okay, talk to the waitress. Waitress. We're still open. Barely. Sit anywhere you like. Thanks. Feels like I just walked into a time capsule. Yeah, well, the future skipped us on purpose. What can I get you? Maybe a coffee first? You got it. Anything else? Oh, maybe a cheeseburger as well? Cheeseburger, huh? That's a premium request at this hour. What's the catch? Catch is, you want the burger. You gotta help me with a couple things. Seriously? Like, bro, trabaho mo to. Binabayaran ka ng boss mo dito. Kahit galing, sabi ko nga, kahit galingan mo pa sa pagtatrabaho. Sa boss mo pa rin mapupunta yung mga tips and yung ibang pera. Dead serious. Trash is peeling up out the back. And I've got one regular eyeballing me. Like I owe him a refill in my soul. You have me that. I'll feed you and the best damn cheeseburger on with this highway. Okay. Hindi ko na alam siya sa amin. Nabubulol ako. Okay, I guess I'll do it. I've been feeling a bit generous today. Okay, libre na daw ba? Casio, tahimik lang. Like, bro, naka-standby lang siya. Nag-AFK siguro. Ito daw ba sa likod? Oh, hindi. Hey, look at her. She's a beautiful woman, guys. Fine shape. Fine shape? I guess. Sa likod daw. Saan? Oh, intong trash. Okay. Likod? Like, the heck? Sa likod? Take out the trash. Wala ba mong gugulat sa akin dyan? Alright, trash taken out. Finally. I swear that bag was leaking or something. Ah, gross. Well, predict ko dito, nandito si Casio. Tama ba? Nalikod natin? Okay, next priority. I really need to find a bathroom. Like right now. Oh! Oh! What the heck? Si Casio nga. What the hell? Gus? The guy who warned me? Yeah. Told you to be careful. Then why am I here? You didn't listen. Like, bro, anong ginawa ko? Like, ingat naman ako ah. I am the Circle. Bro, the main villain. Absolute Cinema. The Circle. I started all of this. Bro, akala ko may mga gang ka or what. And, isa ka pa lang talaga. Isa ka lang pala talaga dito sa gang niya, Circle na yan. So, ikaw yung Circle talaga. You lied to me. Why? Because we met before. Not at the store. But 2 years ago. Bro, may atraso ako. Sabi ko na eh. Ako ba yung pinagbenta mo ng balot na may kakaibang asin? Gising ako ng 3 araw. You were driving under the influence. Hit my sedan. And the doctors had to take glass out of my spine. Oh, nabangga kita. Tawarin mo ako. Oh, we've met before talaga. You didn't even turn yourself in. Just woke up the next day like nothing happened. Oh, bro, masama ka pala eh. Akala ko hindi lagi yung gamit natin na character is bida. Masama pala talaga tayo. I nearly died. You walk away. If I come back and you're still here, you are free. If I come back and you're gone, you're dead. So, alis tayo. Dito tayo, tago na lang tayo. Okay. Wala bang ano? Oh! Ito yung babae. Ito yung fine shite. Okay, talk to her. Ba't mo lalaki? Derek, hindi stranger siya. Hey, you still watch with me? Yeah, not for long, man. You eat something deep, I can feel my legs. Bro, ginulpi ka. Ginulpi ka ni Casio, bro. Ito may pasa mo sa ulo, ang laki oh. Kasi laki ng, mas malaki pa sa mata, pati sa pisngi. Binugbog a Berna. Don't say that. Just stay awake, look at me. Why? But screwed. Took a cold 1911 of one of these guys before they dragged me in here. I haven't had a shot I could take, not with my legs like this. You've been holding on to that this whole time? Didn't think I'd be handing it off to a stranger, but you're still got a shot. You sure? One of us has to try. We didn't hesitate. Not with a guy like Gus. You see him, you put him down. Look, the key is out on the sink to your right. Whenever you get out, Gus will probably be waiting. Whatever you do not miss your shot. Thanks. I'll get out of this nightmare together. Oh, let's. Hey, bro, binigyan niya tayo ng... walang bala. Oh, may crouch. Well, kunin mo to. Ikaw, ito, bibigay ko to sa yung ano to? Yung fire extinguisher and pukpukin mo siya sa ulo. Like, dito, pupunta ako sa pinakadulo, tapos dito ka sa may pinto. Pag tumakbo siya sa akin dyan, pukpukin mo. Or baka nandito siya sa gilid. Abangan na lang natin. So, first, ito yung key na sabi niya. What the heck? Ayan siya. Uy! The heck? Ayan siya, tumatakbo siya. Oh. Eh! Oh! Tumba! Lupay-pay! I'm lucky to be alive today. If it were not for the stranger, I would have been dead. Turns out, anyone else in this town was part of the circle. A cult gas started. Oh, okay. Sabi ko na cool to eh. To get revenge on me after my DUI accident put him in critical condition. Everyone but that stranger wanted me dead somehow. I survived. Oh, yung stranger na nagbigay sa atin ng barrel. Gusto niya rin tayo mapatay. Well, not today. I'm lucky to be alive today. Now, I'm built diff, bro. Presenting continue. Officer Pat wasn't actually a real cop. What? From what I've heard, he was charged with felony impersonation and is now serving around 2 years in prison. What the heck, bro? Lahat kalaban natin. One versus many. Tony was the architect of the whole gas station, which pretty much explained why he's the only one that works there. He was charged with conspiracy to kidnap and his trial is still ongoing. So, ibig sabihin, pati yung waitress, ito na yung waitress. The waitress, although she was a part of the circle, she only got fired. Oh. Fired? Pinned? I gotta say, I guess some places are better left undiscovered. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo and appreciate itong video na to and yun nga, may kulto sila like, gano'n mga geng-geng. So yun lang, maraming salamat and see you sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye bye.